Hello. I hope this is the completion of the game counter demo, which is actually more of a demonstration of data persistence, saving data and bring it back. And game counter is the variable that I am persisting app um, among app runs. Coffee kick in, please, please. So we're up to game 8 already. And if I play this, then I'm playing game 8. Or if I reset, I go to game 9. If I stop and start again, I hope it says game 10. What we don't have, it doesn't. It says game 9. Let me try that again. Maybe I have to play a little bit. I'll have to go back and review my code. But I'll stop it and now start it. And it does say game 10. But it doesn't do anything when I click on it. The plan is when I click on the text itself, game in progress, it resets it to 0. So you can start your game count all over again. And we know how to make things happen when you click on them, don't we? We do on game in progress, on tap gesture. Let's see. What is that curly bracket closing? Oh, the on up here. Of course it is. The next modifier needs to be on tap gesture. And on tap gesture, I can just set game counter to 0. And I was going to make a case for whether it should be 0 or 1, but I've already said 0, so I'm going to go with that now. And let's just see if that works. Game 11. Well, at least it increased by 1. Thank you. And go. I didn't get any right. I'm getting tired of this game in a hurry. Delay, delay, delay. Go. Oh, I got 2 right. I don't want to have to do all this game. So click on game in progress. Boom. It goes to 0. Now, it turned out that I was accidentally doing that when I was doing a practice run. And I was accidentally setting game in progress to 0 when I didn't want it to be 0. So I go to the fount of all knowledge, the Google in Safari, and the Google. For SwiftUI, I think I did double click, but I don't remember. Double click. And here's a real short and sweet example. Look at this. Double click me, on tap gesture, and here's the secret. Count equals, not count equals to, count colon 2. Sure as a world, I would have typed in count equals 2. But count colon 2 should only make it effective if it's a double click. So, tap gesture. And did I forget that already? Holy moly. Yes, it goes on the on tap gesture name, parentheses count colon 2. Okay. Well, it's got count colon 1. I want count colon 2. Go away. Okay, thank you. Now run. And now I've reset, so it doesn't really have very much to reset. Someday I want to do this, and the first row I click, I want it to be solid red all the way across. But so far, I've never done that in my life. I'm just running up the game count here. Now, the plan was, if I decide, you know what, I'm tired of playing this game, I should be able to click on it and make it go back to 0. Click. It didn't go back to 0. Why? Because double click. Well, here's the second click. Click. It doesn't even take 2 clicks at a distance. 2 times in a row. Cross your fingers. Think positive thoughts. Click, click. And there it went. It went to 0. And ladies and gentlemen, one of the shortest demos that I have ever recorded. That's it. Unless you have questions. Bye.